So I'm ready to change the wiring on the last one. And here's something that sometimes happens. This red one right here, I'm kind of low light because all my lighting is over there. But this red one right here came unclipped. So what I need to do is pull this out. This just slides out here, and then press that back in. So you always want to check, make sure these are held good. Now, I've done other videos on this, and there's many on the internet. But basically this side is going to be the black, the hot. And then we're going to take this white right here, and we're going to connect this white to the yellows over here, making that side neutral. So we'll have one side hot, one side neutral. Now we already cut out the ballast, that's why they're disconnected. Very heavy and very hot. When you pull these out, if it's been running a bit, very hot. So that's probably where a lot of the electricity goes. It's like a little heat generation. So the LED should run much cooler, much lower electricity, and it should be much better. Now I labeled this end hot, but it really, either end could be hot. But in my case, I'm using the one closest to the cord coming in is where I'm putting the hot. These bulbs, it doesn't matter. Now, I'm going to order these again. They're LED, TA LED tube lights, and I've had very good luck with them. I had one that didn't want to work, so what I'm going to do is pull. It has these end caps, and you just press down and pull it out a little bit. And you can see the wiring. I suspect one of them's got a loose wire on it. Now that's the first one. I've done 2 packs. So I'm pretty sure that might be the issue. So it's really not going to be a big deal to solder that a little bit. Plus they do have a help you could call in, but I think I'd take care of it myself. So I need to order another pack because I've been ordering packs at 25, so this will be my 3rd one I'll be ordering. And I'm using these, you know, I had a lot of shop lights all over between my wood shop and garages, and so I'm using these a lot. What else did I want to say? So I'll hook this back in. I already cleaned it all off. I wiped everything down. There was lots of sawdust, a bunch of sawdust in here. It's amazing that 18 feet up in the air when you're woodworking down there, still got sawdust. Now it could be from when it was in my other shop, maybe, I don't know. Could be one of the originals that had more in it. So I'm excited to get the last one wired. All I'm doing is I'll strip these a little bit, about a ½ an inch, maybe a little less, and then I'll use some wire nuts to connect these 2, or well 3 or 4. Because I have to hook this red one back up, so these 4 to the black. And then I'll wire nut this together, strip it a little bit, wire nut it together, and then we're good. The neutral, or the ground is already connected, so you leave that. Okay, I gotta get to my other job now, so we'll finish this up this evening, and then we can start taking down the scaffolding. And I don't see any cobwebs left. So that's really nice. And my and Ava are hanging out right now, so maybe we'll leave the door open. They know how to come downstairs now, so. Okay, let's wrap it up for right now and get back at this later today.